Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and creating breathing room. First, back up photos and contacts to my cloud or a PC so you can reset safely. Once done, clear storage until you have at least 2 to 4 GB free. Low storage causes heavy lag. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. This gives you controls you will use in the next steps. You now change settings to remove hidden throttles. In battery and performance, force app battery saver for non-essential apps so background CPU use drops. This prevents sudden freezes. Then in developer options, reduce window and transition animation scale to 0. 5x or off to speed UI rendering. Also inspect storage and clear cache data and large residual files. Android slowdowns often come from fragmented or nearly full storage. These steps improve responsiveness and reduce thermal-induced slowdowns. You finish by confirming stability and applying last resort fixes. If performance is still poor, perform a factory reset and reinstall only essential apps so you avoid reintroducing the lag source. Make sure MIUI and apps are on the latest stable versions. Updates often fix drivers and thermal profiles. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps, and if lag persists even there, suspect hardware like battery or thermal throttling. Consider a professional battery/heat diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.